In 2025, the online side hustle revolution is going global. Over 45% of workers worldwide are now looking for ways to generate extra income. That's why in this video I'm sharing my list of the top 10 best work-from-home side hustles that will help you make a full-time income in 2025. These online jobs can easily pay you over $1,000 every single month, and some can even replace your 9-to-5. So whether you're an ambitious entrepreneur, stay-at-home parent, or someone who's simply looking for a better work-life balance, these ideas are worth checking out. Now here's what's cool. All of these side hustles have a low barrier to entry, meaning you won't need any fancy degrees, qualifications, or tons of experience to get started. Plus, they're super flexible, so you can do them at your own pace and around your existing commitments. Also, these ideas leverage the power of the internet and new technology like AI to help you maximize your earnings and boost your income. The best part? You can start most of these hustles today for free. Now, if you're eager to discover the top 10 best work-from-home side hustles that are taking off in 2025, make sure to subscribe for more money-making tips and comment below which side hustle you're most excited about. Let's dive right in. Side hustle number 10, freelance writing and copywriting. This one's a game changer. Now, freelance writing and copywriting are super hot right now, and for good reason. You can work from anywhere, anytime, and earn up to $100 an hour. Websites and businesses of all sizes are always on the lookout for talented writers and copywriters to create engaging and effective content for their target audience. Whether it's blog posts, website copy, social media content, or email marketing campaigns, the demand for skilled writers is at an all-time high. To get started, head over to platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Post your services and bid on projects that match your skills and expertise. Or you can take it up a notch by reaching out to businesses directly and offering your services via email or social media. If you're a natural wordsmith with a knack for storytelling and SEO, this side hustle might be a perfect fit for you. Now, before we move on, if you're loving this video, please smash that like button. It really helps us grow and reach more people with awesome content. Stick around because side hustle number 1 is a real game changer. But first, let's keep this momentum going with side hustle number 9, social media management. Businesses today rely heavily on social media to connect with customers and drive sales. That's where you come in. As a social media manager, you'll help businesses create and execute social media strategies across platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Your responsibilities will include creating engaging content, managing online communities, and running social media advertising campaigns. With the right skills and experience, you can charge anywhere from $500 to $1,500 per month per client. To break into this field, start by building your own social media presence, and then reach out to local businesses and offer your services. You can also sign up for job boards like Upwork or Guru to find clients. Side hustle number 8, print on demand and e-commerce. This is a game changer. Print on demand and e-commerce allow you to sell custom t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, artwork, and other cool stuff without ever holding inventory. It's a win-win. With print on demand, customers place an order and the product is printed and shipped directly to them. This means no upfront investment in inventory and no hassle with shipping or returns. One of the best platforms for this is Etsy, a global marketplace for handmade and vintage items. You can use sites like Printful or Printify to design and upload your products to Etsy. Alternatively, you can set up your own online store using Shopify and list your products there. If you're looking for something completely hands-off, consider selling digital assets like templates, ebooks, and online courses. You can upload these to platforms like Gumroad and set up your own storefront. Side hustle number 7, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. When you sign up for an affiliate program, you'll get a unique tracking link that you can use to track clicks and sales. You can promote products through your social media channels, email lists, or even your own website. One of the best things about affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products or services. Instead, you can partner with brands you already love and promote their offerings to your audience. You'll earn a commission on any sales you drive through your affiliate link. With the right strategy, you can make anywhere from $100 to $5,000 or more per month depending on your niche. Side hustle number 6, online tutoring and teaching. With the rise of remote learning, the demand for online tutors and teachers has skyrocketed. You can teach anything you're passionate about, from English as a second language to math, coding, and test preparation. There are many platforms where you can find students like VipKid, Preply, and Wizened. They connect you with learners of all ages and skill levels, and handle all the administrative aspects of your online tutoring business. On average, online tutors and teachers can earn around $20 to $50 per hour. Side hustle number 5, virtual assistant services. More and more businesses move to remote work. The need for virtual assistant services has never been greater. As a VA, you'll provide administrative, technical, or creative support to clients from the comfort of your own home. Your duties can include scheduling appointments, managing email inboxes, handling social media accounts, and conducting research. With the right skills and experience, VAs can charge between $15 and $40 per hour. Head over to websites like Zirtual Fancy Hands and Belay Solutions to get started. Side hustle number 4, content creation. The world of content creation is booming. Whether you prefer YouTube, TikTok, or blogging, you can build an audience and monetize your content through ads and sponsorships. While it's not a quick way to make money, content creation can eventually lead to passive income streams and endless opportunities for growth. Side hustle number 3, dropshipping with AI tools. Dropshipping is a game changer in the world of e-commerce. With dropshipping, you can run an online store without holding any inventory. You list products on your site, and when an order comes in, you fulfill it through a third-party supplier. To take your dropshipping game to the next level, use AI tools to streamline your business. Generate product ideas, write compelling ad copy, automate customer service, and analyze data to optimize your sales funnels. Side hustle number 2, stock photography and digital assets. If you're a photographer or graphic designer, you can sell your work through stock websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock. You can also sell digital assets like fonts, graphics, and templates through platforms like Creative Market and Envato Elements. This can be a great passive income stream, especially if you already have a portfolio of high-quality images and graphics. Side hustle number 1, online coaching and consulting. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can offer online coaching or consulting services. This can be anything from life coaching to business consulting to health and wellness coaching. With this side hustle, you can set your own rates and hours and work with clients all over the world. Plus, there's a high demand for expert guidance in many fields. Many coaches charge $1,000 or more per client. So this can be a lucrative opportunity to share your knowledge and help others while earning a full-time income. And if you're ready to take your side hustle to the next level and turn it into a thriving business, subscribe and check out on our next video. It's packed with actionable advice and insider tips that will help you succeed. And remember, the world is changing. Side hustles aren't just extra income anymore. They're becoming the future of work. So don't just watch, take action. Your 2025 could look completely different. Thanks for watching.